everybody. Welcome to Chatterbox. My name is Laura Key, and this is Tammy Karaba. She's my very good friend who's a lender. Tammy, tell us a little bit about how long you've been in the business.
Well, my name is Tammy Karaba, and I have been a mortgage loan originator since 1999 and in the mortgage banking business since 1986.
Wow. Wow, the 80s were good, weren't they? I loved all the big hair and all the makeup. I still love it, Tammy. You remember the headbands? Oh, I had one in every color. I even had one that was a rainbow. It was pretty cool.
Yeah. They were fun times, definitely.
Yes, it was. And you are definitely, truly a real Valley girl.
I am a Valley girl, for sure.
And I am Laura Key. I am the realty goddess of Los Angeles, California, and I help to establish the community one house at a time. And I have been in the business since 2006. So I got in when the crash started, been here through the boom, and here we are still uplifting and moving on. And Tammy and I have been working together since 2009. So you got a solid team right here.
Yeah.
Tammy, I want to talk to you today about a certain type of loan. A lot of people don't know that there's many different loans, like conventional or FHA or luxury, but a lot of people don't know about VA. So I need your expertise on explaining to me, what is a VA loan and who is it for?
Well, I'm glad you asked that question, Laura. You know, VA loans are one of my favorite loans, one of my favorite all-time loans. They are specifically for people that have been in the military or are in the military. There is no money down required, so no down payment is required. Perfect loan. And there's no mortgage insurance. It's just, it's a great loan. I love it. It's a VA loan or a Veterans Affairs loan.
So if you've been in the military, whether past or present, you can qualify for that loan.
Yes, you can. You can qualify, no money down. Do you want me to tell you a story about a client that put no money down? You know, they put an offer on a home. He uses VA credentials, and the earnest money deposit that's required by the seller was, I think, $3,000. So the buyer put down $3,000. And then during the course of the loan or the transaction, there was some things that needed to be repaired on the property. So they did some negotiating, the buyer and seller, and the seller ended up paying all of the buyer's closing costs.
Oh, wow.
So when escrow closed, the escrow department or company sent the buyer back his earnest money deposit. So he literally came in with nothing down, no closing costs. All he had to pay for was the appraisal. He was a happy camper.
Wow. And rightfully so, though, guys, because honestly, our military fights for us all across the world, and they take their time and they serve for us. And this is a way that we can give back to them. I had a client who actually lived in my neighborhood. He was my next door neighbor, and he had married a lady who had already lived in the house. And after they raised their kids, they wanted to move downsize. So what they did is they used their VA certificate to move into a larger house because they were anticipating grandbabies. And he too also didn't put one dime down.
Nice deal.
Isn't that wonderful?
What about these deals? They are true, no down payment, no mortgage insurance. If you can get a VA loan, I highly recommend it.
Yeah, I do too. And they're easy to work with. And they're also very powerful when I'm presenting them to sellers.
Sure.
Like if someone is comparing two deals that are exact same, and there's a VA loan and there's an FHA loan or a conventional loan, they will typically go with the VA loan because they're more secure with that.
Yes.
So it's really good loan to have. And I do advise it for people. Now, Tammy, one more question about this VA loan. Can you have more than one in your lifetime?
Yes, you can. So there are different situations or different scenarios. I'm trying to think of a real quick scenario to give you. So if you have a VA loan, you've purchased a property last year, and let's say you want to move out because you have a job relocation in a different state, you could potentially do it. But the best way to do it is do a refinance VA IRL on the existing loan that you have, because per VA, or the Veterans Affairs company, they are saying that they're not holding you to it being occupied. So if you do a VA IRL, you could potentially, without too much of a problem, use your VA credentials again and keep that VA loan. Now, it's going to be case by case.
Of course.
You have that. If anybody out there has a VA loan that they have now and they want to buy somewhere else and use their VA credentials again and keep that loan in play, please call me. Call me and we'll go over the specifics and I'll let you know how we can make it work.
Perfect, because we do know that our military families get shuffled around quite a bit.
Right.
They don't always want to leave their dream home. They may want to go back and retire to that home.
Right. So
that is an awesome loan for people to have. Tammy and I have worked with VA before, so we are here to help guide you through that. If you are interested in buying or selling, please reach out to us. Tammy, what's the best way for them to reach you?
You know what? I'm just gonna, how about if we're getting ready to end this, right? So why don't I just say, please contact me for all of your real estate financing needs. If you have any questions about the loan industry or would like to run a loan scenario by me, get pre-approved for a home loan to purchase a home, VA, FHA, conventional, whatever type of loan you want, please reach out to me. My contact information will be at the end of this video. Call me on my phone number first. You can email me. You can message me. However you want to reach me, you get a hold of me. Be well, everyone.
I think we're pretty easy to reach. That's one thing that you don't ever have a problem reaching us, that's for sure. So at the beginning of this video and at the end of this video, you will see our contact information. We are here for you. Tammy, you got any final words?
Just be well, everyone. Stay safe, and I hope to hear from you soon.
And I am Lori Key, the Realty Goddess of Los Angeles, California. I help to establish the community one house at a time. Why not go out on a limb? Isn't that where the fruit is? It sure is. Mwah! We'll see you next time. Bye.